everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to make a quick video on how I do my everyday makeup. I go for super natural, and when I'm not filming I can do this in about 10 minutes, but you know, the camera's in front of me, so I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we'll figure it out together, okay? First off, my base is clean. I'm going to start off with, actually I use two primers. See if you can see that. And that is because I have, I guess, combination skin, but not really. I don't think I have combination skin. I mostly just have dry skin, and then like throughout the day, like certain areas in my face will start to crack, or not crack, crease. And the crazy thing is, like, parts of my face, like up here, that starts to crease, I don't even have any lines there. Like, I don't know. So this is what I do. For a majority of my face, I do use my Milk Hydro Grip. This is my tried and true. This is like my 4th or 5th bottle. I keep going back. I tried some other products, but then I come back again. So, and I just put this one on the outer edges of my face. I'll do it under my eye as well. Do that on the outer edges of my face. Actually, I'll do it by my mouth too, but I'm leaving my smile lines because that's where I crack. And up here, I also crease there. And then in those areas, I'll use this product right here. This is Sterivectin Anti-Wrinkle Line Blur Vector. It's Instant Wrinkle Blurring Primer. I've been using this one for, I started using it towards the end of the summer because I did a job, I act sometimes, and I did a job where the makeup artist recommended that I put just a blurring primer in areas where I crease, and it worked. And it worked in San Antonio heat, and when I tell you San Antonio heat is no joke, ciao. Oh, and we had a heat wave. It worked through the heat wave. Yes. Okay. Once that is done, I will do my eyebrows. To do my eyebrows, I'm just gonna go for my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. Nothing fancy, you know, but this one worked really well, and it's not super expensive. Or it's not expensive at all compared to those primers. I'm just gonna go ahead. They kind of were already done, but I'm just gonna, yeah. Remember, I told you this is all very simple for me. I don't do much. Depending on the time of the year, I have two products that I go for. My CoverGirl Matte Made. I go through this one a lot. The color gets a little bit iffy in the summer months. Or not in the summer months, in the winter months when I get a little bit lighter. And I haven't found the perfect match for me in there. But, or I'll use my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I love this thing because it gives me, I don't go for full coverage, but it gives me really, really good, like, buildable if I wanted to coverage. And I don't use a lot, so we're just gonna use this one today because it's always, technically it's always summertime in San Antonio. I mean, like, I'm gonna use the bottom of my beauty sponge, and we're gonna, I'm gonna switch. I had done this earlier and I was using this one. I'm gonna use that one. Just because it gives me a little bit more control. I don't use much, literally just like a dab. And I put it the outer edges of my face. Once that's done, I go in with my highlighter. And I do use 2 highlighters. Both of them are Rare Beauty. My favorite one would be the NARS one, but I am all out. And I didn't want to go buy a new product because I'm not an everyday makeup kind of girl. So we're going to start with the darker of the 2. And that one is what I primarily use. I'm going to use it cheek or outer edges of my eye. Put a little bit on underneath my cheekbone. A little bit on my chin. A little on my forehead. And then down the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to take the lighter of the product and I'm going to put that in my inner eye. So I'm gonna go all the way up the edge of my face and just kind of down my cheekbone to the other side of my face. Yeah, I'm switching to voiceover. No need to talk to myself. Next, I got my contour stick, which is almost done. So, contour. I put my contour right under my cheekbones, right where I already have a natural contour. Also on my forehead and down the bridge of my nose. Lastly, I do also place it on my jawline, just to kind of chisel my face a little bit. And take the cleanser. You can't really tell this on camera, but when I am buffing this out, I do go in an upward motion, and that just helps to lift my face a little bit. To contour my nose, I use this small flathead brush. Really simple. I'm not doing anything to try to pop the middle of my face or anything like that. So I'm just going to use my setting powder to go under my eye. And this is my Makeup Forever setting powder. And then next, we're going to bronze. Got my Morphe bronzer. No idea what. Oh, Prodigy. It's a pretty color. Just put that right over the contour. And go up the sides of my face as well. Next, I'm using this Revolution kit on my cheeks. I don't remember where I got this, but I do really love both the blush and the highlighter. They're both so pretty. I'm gonna go back with my pressed powder and makeup makeup forever pressed powder and put that everywhere I haven't set yet. And then I'm gonna get back in and give myself simple eye look. I'm just adding a little bit of primer on my eyes so that my eye look doesn't crease. So I'm going back into the Morphe bronzer and I'm gonna use that on the outside edges of my eyes. And I'm gonna use my Revolution blush on the center and inner edges of my eyes. All done. On the days when I'm not wearing lashes, which is most days, I go for a lot of mascara because I don't have very long eyelashes, so I've got to do something to just add a little bit. So I'm gonna start with my Milk mascara primer. And I only do this on the top. When I put it on the bottom, it's just a little bit too much. There. And then I'm gonna go with a lengthening mascara. Let's see, we'll try this one first. So I went ahead and turned my backlight on just to make it easier to see, and I don't think it made a difference on camera. I could have left it off. In with a volumizing mascara. This one here is the Lancome Excessive Black Noir, or just Excessive Black. That's good. And then another thing I like to do with my lengthening mascara is go inside. There, like that. I don't know if you guys are starting to see the difference in how long my lashes look, but before I definitely did not have any. Now it's looking like I got a little bit of something. And then last, I'm gonna go on my bottom lash. Go ahead and spray. So this is the Pore Professional Super Setter. So I won't be buying this one when it finishes. It's just hard to get out the bottle. Like, let me see. Wow, that was easy. I swear that was only because I'm on camera that it was that easy that time. There, see? So I'm thinking this might be in my head now because looking at it on camera, it sprays so nicely. But in my mind, it's just not going well. Because I crease right here, I kind of hold my face back while I fan the setting spray. Last, I'm gonna go in with my MAC lip gloss. Now I'm all done. And honestly, I've never gone out like this and people thought I had on makeup. They always think I'm just naturally beautiful, I guess. Yeah, but people never think I have on makeup. So this is my everyday makeup routine. A little bit closer. And the crazy thing is people will be like this in my face and still not realize I have on makeup. So it's my go-to. Okay, well, thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope I gave you a tip you can pick up on. If not, you know, maybe next time. But yeah, thanks for watching. like, comment, subscribe, all the good YouTuber stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. The sun is going down, so I have to try different lighting to get you guys a good view, but I hope this works. There.